Flag on the play, ho.
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah. I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
It's Kai and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That is twice a week on Wednesdays and Saturdays. You guys get to see me and gonna get this video a thumbs up. You know it's gonna be lit. We get it on and pop, we keep it rocking. We ain't stopping. Alright, y'all, so in today's video, girl, I want to talk all about this PCOS struggle that I'm dealing with. I'm just gonna give y'all a PCOS update. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a physical update of everything that's literally going on with me physically and things that I'm doing now that are helping me. So you guys know I've been talking about this PCOS thing since I was diagnosed with it back in December 2020. So it's been a struggle. It really has been a struggle, but girl, I think this time around, because I've been trying so many different methods on trying to maintain my weight, well, trying to manage my weight and trying to lose weight, and that's the hardest thing when dealing with PCOS. I feel like I'm dealing with both the adrenal fatigue and the insulin resistance, because I noticed that, like, for example, I know back here one week I drank nothing but coffee, and when you're dealing with PCOS, you need to stay away from caffeine. Caffeine is your worst enemy, one of your worst enemies, because there's a lot of enemies that you will have when dealing with PCOS. But I was drinking coffee every morning because I needed some energy. So I don't know why I was drinking coffee. I could have just found something else that'll give me a boost of energy. I had the B12 vitamins, but girl, we'll get into that. But when I was drinking that coffee every day that week, I was still working out, but I wasn't working out like, I wasn't working out that much. I'm not even gonna flex on y'all. I was probably working out about 2 days a week, probably once a week. And I was, girl, that week I gained 5 pounds because all I was doing was drinking coffee. I was eating, but I wasn't eating like I should have been eating. Like, I was eating healthy, but I was still drinking that coffee. And the coffee, when I drank that coffee, y'all, I gained 5 pounds in a week. And I was so heartbroken, because I'm like, damn, I was eating right. Although I wasn't working out, I was still, you know, I felt like I was still doing the right thing, but I guess I wasn't. And I've come to the conclusion that when it comes to me and my PCOS, I have to pay attention to exactly what I'm putting into my body. You gotta really, really be careful of what you're putting into your body, because a lot of things don't agree with your hormones. And when you're doing, when you have PCOS, any little thing can trigger your hormones and cause it to be up and cause it to go off track. So when I was drinking that coffee, it caused things to go off track. And then on top of that, I would eat a honey bun every morning. That was my breakfast. Like, Kai, what were you thinking? Like, just a few days ago, y'all, all I ate, this was like probably Wednesday, all I ate was a honey bun, and I gained 3 pounds. That's the only thing I ate that day, and I promise y'all, this is my right hand to God. Like, I gained 3 pounds. So I'm like, what the world? I didn't even eat nothing, and I still gained weight. And it's because you're not watching what you're putting into your body, okay? You can't eat those certain things. So I had to realize I can't do certain things that I feel like I can't do certain things that I was doing, you know, on my first weight loss journey, because this is not the same, because now I'm trying to tackle this PCOS. So you can't eat the junk food. You can't be drinking alcohol like you're going, like it's going out of style, because last weekend, y'all, I drank some alcohol and I gained 6 pounds. So it's like, it's an up and down, it's topsy-turvy. That's what it is, an up and down scale with this thing. And it's like, can we please figure out what is the tea? So now I'll say, after I ate that honey bun, I realized that, okay, I can't do that. So that was Wednesday. So Thursday and yesterday, I did right. I ate healthy, and I didn't put anything toxic in my body. And girl, the 3 pounds that I had gained, came off just like that. And now it's like, okay, I see what I need to be doing. I see what it is that I can't be putting into my body. So it's me having to crack down on myself and be like, okay, Kyra, you know that you can't drink these things, you can't eat these things, and some of the things that you're putting into your body just don't agree well with you. So take this out, put this in, and that's how you're going to beat that is how you're going to, you know, tackle the weight gain that you're dealing with. Because my weight goes up and down, like I can lose 10 pounds, but I can gain the 10 pounds right back. I can lose it in a week, gain it right back the next week. So it's like, girl, what's the deal? PCOS is not a game. It's a real medical condition that can really make or break you. And if you let it break you, it's gonna do that. It's gonna break you. So I've just come to the conclusion that I'm not gonna even worry about it. I'm just gonna do what I feel like is working for my body. So I cut out all those vitamins, because I know I did a video back here where I showed y'all all the vitamins that I was taking. Yeah, because I feel like that was too much. So I only take a multivitamin now, and that's it. I only take my multivitamin. I feel like that right there within itself, trying to remember every day to take my vitamins was something that was causing me to stress, because if I miss a day, I felt like, okay, something is going to be out of whack. And also I work out now 5 times out of a week. I do weighted training, and with weighted training I do slow elevated training. So I don't stress my body out with doing that, you know, a lot of fast-paced exercising. I do slow weighted training, and that really has been helping me, y'all. And I tell y'all now, I told you I was watching the PCOS weight loss channel, and I started taking that. I started actually taking what she was saying seriously, because I came on here and I told y'all I was doing these things, and yeah, I was doing them when I would tell y'all about it, but then I would fall off the wagon. But this time I was like, okay, I gotta get serious with myself, because I'm stressing myself out, and I'm getting angry at myself because I'm doing things that I know I shouldn't be doing, and it's causing my symptoms to go out of control. So I had to realize, I had to crack down on myself, because I was the problem. Me not listening and paying attention, me not paying attention to what I was putting into my body, me actually not caring what I was putting into my body, because I had the mindset, okay, I know what I was doing to lose the weight. Okay, I can have a snack here and there, but you eat one snack and it turns to 2, and then 2 snacks turns to 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're just like, if you give yourself a cheat day. I don't give myself cheat days, because I can't, because that one day could turn everything upside down. So I don't do the cheat days. If I do something sweet, it's gonna be low carb or something like that, because I can't do it. I feel like what I'm doing now is, because I'm doing this routine right here and I'm getting my body used to it, this is what's gonna help me in the long run. And I also intermittent fast. So with me intermittent fasting, that right there it works wonders. So I give myself a window of 16-8. So I do the 16-8 fasting. So that's 8 hours. That 8-hour window, I'm eating in between those 8 hours, and then at 16 I cut it off. Like I don't eat until 12 the next day. So if it's after 8, I don't eat. Or if I do 7 that day, I don't. If it's after 7, I don't eat, and I'll wait until 11 to eat the next day. Or if it's after 8, I wait until 12 the next day. So yeah, that's really good. I do low carb, so I don't do keto, because keto always, it just never works. I tried keto so many times, and it just doesn't work well for me. It never goes well for me trying to do the keto diet. So I do low carb, and with me doing low carb, it's been helping. It really has been helping. I don't eat any gluten. I make sure no gluten is in my diet, and I'm trying my best to wean myself off dairy. But cheese, y'all, cheese is the only dairy product that I eat that I cannot get rid of. Everything else I don't eat. Cheese is the literal only thing that I cannot stop eating. I've tried different versions of vegan cheese, and it just don't slap like regular cheese, like milk product cheese. I can't. I'm trying, but it's so hard. It's so hard. So girl, I just don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. But yeah, that's basically an update on the weight management side of PCOS, because that is what a lot of women struggle with physically, is their weight. And also, you know, the hair loss is one of my biggest factors that I'm dealing with as well. And that's it. Those are the two major things that I'm dealing with physically with PCOS. But other than that, I think this time around, y'all, we're gonna see some progress, and I'm gonna keep y'all updated on my weight loss journey this time with the PCOS, because I really do want to find things that work for me. And if they work for me and I can keep the weight off, or I lose a good amount of weight, because that's the hard part, is if I could get past losing 10 pounds and see that, okay, what I'm doing actually got me past the 10 pounds that I'm normally always losing, then I know that I'm on the right track with what I'm doing. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated on there. And like I always ask, if you have any advice on anything that you deal with PCOS, please leave them down in the comment section, because they do help. And a lot of you give me some good suggestions, and I go and I look at these different pages and YouTube channels that y'all tell me to look at, and they do really be helping me. So please leave me any advice and tips so we can help each other. So yeah, that's it. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.